Project's coming together. We got the show. It's looking good. Now we need the go. I love the idea of the straight 8, but you got no transmission to put the power to the wheels.
I don't know where it went.
So I got that 350 Chevy transmission from Speedway. I started with a transmission cover, but I want to get the engine in and the drive shaft, everything in place before we finalize all the sheet metal. This engine's a key element in bringing the look of this whole thing back together, but it's not as simple as it was the first time. Great ideas also lead to problems. So we got a great engine, we got a great transmission, and one of the problems is, like, how do you mesh them?
Yeah, the puzzle piece doesn't quite fit together yet, right?
Exactly. That Chevy bell housing is so much bigger, it'll never bolt up to this without a significant amount of machine work and engineering. But check this out. Transmissionadapters.com. On the shelf, they have a Chevy transmission to Pontiac Straight 8 adapter kit. Look at this.
So even this obscure, like a straight 8.
Yes, I called them and he's like, yeah, we got that. They got this crankshaft adapter, their own custom flex plate, and a brand new mini starter. They made their own puzzle piece to fit these together.
Now that's crazy.
Jeremy's a car builder in his own right. He wanted to be involved, you know, get his hands dirty on this project. He's told me since the beginning he's wanted to take this back to his shop for the final details. This gives me the creative ability with the heavy fabrication to really nail those points. Back at Jeremy's shop, he'll focus on the final details of the chassis paint, the interior fit up, the wiring, etc. Everything lines up, as it should. Sometimes the stars align. I get to do the transformation I was hoping to see, and Jeremy gets the car he's always wanted.